Welcome back to Magical Mayhem. Today, start simple. Start simple. Don't get into that overhype where you start looking at videos and you start seeing all these magicians do these amazing things. You're gonna get there, it's just gonna take you some time. Start simple with the basics. You'll lay a nice solid foundation for everything that you're gonna build on. If you don't have that foundation, it's gonna come crashing down. If you have that foundation, you can build upon it and build upon it and build upon it. And before you know it, you'll be that amazing magician. Start simple. For the last year and a half, I've been driving by this place and it's coming along very nicely. It was absolutely nothing but an empty lot about a year and a half ago. Now look. They put the time, they put the effort, they put the thought, they put the process in place, and they've gotten this far. Imagine where you'll be in about a year and a half if you were to start with a new good process. Something to think about.